Casey Donovan, and you're back once again in The Space, a mindfulness podcast that's not like the others. Every Thursday, our topic for the day is all about you, where we give you mindfulness tips to be your best self. Tonight, we're going to talk about two important things in life: love and sleep, and how your sleep habits can sabotage your relationship. When we're sleep deprived, none of us are really our best selves. A lack of sleep can throw our emotions out of whack. When you're sleep deprived, the part of your brain that ties emotions to memories doesn't function properly, which can lead us to overreact or not notice someone else's emotions. When we're sleep deprived, our tolerance for normal activities, like chatting to your partner over brekkie, is also reduced. And there's the fault factor. Women report having 3 hours less sleep than their male partners a night. They were snoring, tossing and turning. And who got up more with the baby? So how can we stop a terrible night's sleep leading to a full-blown Barney over breakfast? Step 1. When you wake up, put your gratitude to the test. I know it's not easy when your eyelids are glued together, but before you get out of bed, list 3 things that you're grateful for, including one that relates to your partner. Step 2. Pause before you vent. Remember that for about 30 minutes after we wake up, we're in a state called sleep inertia. Our performance is impaired. We can feel groggy and disorientated. Not the best time to have a heart-to-heart or list all of your partner's flaws. Step 3. Set a time to talk, but not right now. Scientists have found that our stress hormone levels tend to spike within an hour of waking up. Another study found the best time to get a yes out of a conversation is right after a person has eaten. So, hand your partner a blueberry muffin, then ask them to get up with the baby tonight. I'm Casey Donovan, and this is The Space. We'll be back tomorrow morning with another mood-lifting episode. Space out.